Hello and welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to take Juan for a walk up the local lanes and I'm going to bring you along so that you can see what it's like in the area that we live in. You ready, Juan? Yeah? You ready? You ready to go for a walk? Yes? You ready for biscuits? Oh, we got biscuits too. Yes, we have. Mwah. All right, let's go.
We're Those Weirdos, a family of 7.
Nearly 3 years ago, we gave up our conventional lives to live, travel and work in our self-converted Sprinter van.
I have a chameleon.
In July 2021, with the increase in travel restrictions caused by Brexit and the pandemic, we decided to buy off-grid land in Portugal to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
Follow along with our journey as we turn our beautiful but derelict land into our very own slice of off-grid heaven. Wildlands. These lanes, when you're driving on them, takes you about 10 minutes to get from our property out to a proper road with tarmac. And there's lots of them, not just one that we're on. They all sort of crisscross and go all over the place, a bit rabbit warren-like. I don't know how long ago these sides were carved out. There must have been a fair old while because they must have been here for the people that lived in our house, and that's pre-1950s. This is a beautiful fig tree. It did have figs on it at one point. Looks very old. On the left here, there are olive trees. These are really common around our area. You just get a little patch of land with lots and lots of olive trees, maybe figs, maybe some grapes. See, this isn't very big. You can see the entirety of it right here. And then I guess the farmers come up occasionally to plough and then to pick the olives, which they obviously haven't done this year. And that's it. So with the farmers just popping up occasionally to plough or to pick their olives, they're not really like neighbours at all, but the land is well cared for and not really fire risky, which is nice. It's very peaceful living out here in the middle of nowhere. Sporadic pines, bramble patches, little olive groves. Lots of sniffs for Juan. We've seen a big-eared fox, a red squirrel, mice, stoat. We know that there are boars, but we haven't seen them. We have seen their footprints. So there must be all these animals and more using these paths for convenience and crossing them as well. So Juan just absolutely loves it. Every day there's new sniffies. What is it, Juan? What you got? Hello? Want to keep going? Come on then. Come on then, buddy. Oh, wow. Oh, that's interesting. Crikey. A couple of trees must have come down in the rain and the everything. Oh dear. Well, this is our only way out of our land. So that's nice. You can walk around it. Maybe if you went across this person's land. So we're going to have to come out here and take care of this, or we're not going to be able to go out and get food or water. Right, come on buddy, we got to go back and tell people. We need to go take care of this. Hello?
Hello?
Guess what?
What?
There's 2 trees down across the road that we need to access.
To go out with the chainsaw then.
To go out with the chainsaw in the rain, which is
lovely.
the other lovely factor.
Bonus, that's off-grid living for you.
Yeah.
Drag them out of the way. I was thinking of getting the van.
So you don't get this living in a house in High Wycombe. So we've got 3 big trees blocking our only access to the land. So we've got to do a bit of clearing so we can get out to do the shopping tomorrow, or ever. So I've got a blunt chainsaw. Unfortunately we didn't get around to sharpening it, but needs must. Somebody asked us in the last vlog about neighbours, or a couple of vlogs back. So these are 2 lovely neighbours, 2 plots down from us. Come out with a chainsaw, proper chainsaw, made short work of it. It's nearly cleared now, but it's just popped home to get a bolt that's come off the chainsaw before just getting this last bit out. So pretty cool to get the help from the local friends. And what big trees, they must have come down in the storm the other night.
Yeah, it's ancient, this thing.
But the tree is huge.
I'm going to guess that maybe 100 years old, because pine only puts down little rings because it grows tall.
Look at the size of that pine.
And it's rotten at the bottom, that's why it's fallen over.
Yeah.
It's completely soggy and rotten. That was an unexpected end to my little walk with Juan. The video turned into something else entirely. But now we can get out, and our fantastic neighbours are going to get a couple of bottles of wine off of us as a thank you. And just, oh my goodness. We did have other options. I know a lot of people out there are very worried for our safety, and they're always thinking about, you know, what about emergencies and so on. Our next option, if we hadn't been offered any help from any of our neighbours, was we were going to call Frank the digger, because he's bound to have a chainsaw. But before we could get to that, our fantastic neighbours offered help. So thanks very much, Willem and Odd. Couldn't have done it without you. And as it turned out, it was a slightly more thrilling video than the one that you were going to get anyway. So thanks very much for watching. We're keeping up with our daily vlogs, aren't we? What have we done? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is Thursday. We're not doing badly. Thanks for all of your comments, suggestions, likes, subscribes. We really appreciate all of it. It does really help us out, those likes and subscribes on YouTube. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in a couple of days.